Okay, so I just wanted to like show this video. Like these are press-on nail stands that you could use. Like for instance, like these are some press-ons that I polished, and like if you want to design them while they're not on your fingers, and you can design them and let them dry, polish, let them dry, design, and then be ready for whenever you want to use them. I had brought 3 sets of these, and this part right here had came off. So if this happens, y'all, I just want to show y'all, if this happened to happen, you know, it's not bad. Don't trash it or whatever. You can just take some glue, and I'm using this base dip, which is basically resin. You can use like regular nail glue as well. You can use super glue. Yeah, super glue. Whatever. But the thing is, just use some glue so that you don't have to throw it away. You don't have to throw it away. I'm gonna apply some glue, and I'm looking at this through the lens, which is kind of difficult. Just want to make sure that I get it all and stay in focus. Make sure you tighten that glue back up, and we're gonna make sure that, okay, yeah, so I want to place that right in the center of that. Okay, hold on, y'all. I want to take that off. Only reason why I had attached that magnet to it, because I want to make sure I'm gluing the right side, and I got glue stuck on my fingers. Y'all be careful with this glue. But so yeah, I'm gonna place that right in the center. Now, and don't want to, make sure you don't get no glue on the top of it, because your fingertips will stick to it. I'm gonna let that sit right there and let it dry. Yeah, you want to let that dry.